Warm wishes to all. Our project is detection and avoidance of congestion for multipath routing using sensor networks, proposed by Ms. A. Daulat Salima and Ms. A. Gauri Fatima, guided by Mr. C. Ramkumar, Assistant Professor. Sensor networks come in a wide variety of forms covering different geographical areas, being sparsely or densely deployed using devices with a variety of energy constraints and implementing an assortment of sensing applications. Congestion in wireless sensor network can cause missing packets, low energy efficiency and long delay. Some applications need to transmit large volumes of data concurrently from several sensors. These applications have different delay and QoS requirements. Congestion problem is more urgent in such applications. To address this challenge, we propose a novel which comprises three mechanisms: congestion detection using dual buffer thresholds and weighted buffer difference, flexible queue scheduler for packet scheduling, bottleneck node based source sending rate control scheme. Simulations show that eCODA achieves efficient congestion control and flexible weighted fairness for different classes of traffic. Therefore, it leads to higher energy efficiency and better QoS in terms of throughput, fairness and delay. A project undergoes three mechanisms in which first the sensor networks undergoes a first mechanism of use of dual buffer thresholds, which is used for congestion detection method. Use of dual buffer thresholds has three buffer states. Buffer is defined as three states: accept state, filter state and reject state. Two thresholds, Qmin and Qmax, are used to border different buffer states. Different buffer states reflect different channel loading. Corresponding strategy is adopted to accept or reject packets in different states. It is necessary to point out that reject state not means to reject all incoming packets, but it means that most of the packets will be rejected because buffer utilization is too high. Our next mechanism is flexible queue scheduler, which is based on round robin algorithm. Round robin algorithm overcomes the disadvantage of soft tail dropping method. Then comes the bottleneck node detection, which is used for congestion avoidance. Bottleneck node means during the transmission the nodes in the network are. Then comes the bottleneck node detection, which is used for congestion avoidance. In bottleneck node is defined as during transmission only the nodes which are used for transmission is visible and other nodes are invisible. Thus, the maximum throughput of the network is achieved. This shows our simulation results. Our simulation result is the nodes are 35 nodes starting from 0 to 34. Initially, the source node is 13 and sink node is 0. The queue transmits from 13, 11, 6, 3, 1 and 0. Then the source node is 18 and sink node is 0. Then the source node is 25 and sink node is 0. Thus the congestion is detected and avoided.